Want to learn how to get logged into your BetterHelp app's account? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. I have already installed BetterHelp app on my phone. You can also do the same and then tap on it. If you already have an account, you can tap on login next to already sign up. And if you do not know how to create an account, you can visit our channel and watch more videos related to BetterHelp. Now tap on login with this green text next to already signed up. Enter your email address and then your password and then tap on login below. When you're done doing both, tap on login below. If you have had a PIN, you can even enter your PIN after this. When you're done doing all, you can see that you have successfully logged into your BetterHelp app's account. So this is how you do it. I hope that this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.